Okay, we're playing fridge organizer. Let's see, eggs, white or brown. Let's do white. Let's just fill it all in. Could do better. Okay, whatever. Okay, drinks. Let's go for this red strawberry. Okay, and let's just fill 2 rows and then do the rest green apple. Fill. I did try. Okay, next. Okay, some more drinks. First, let's do a protein shake because we have to always have protein shakes. Let's fill. Okay, let's do this other blue drink, like pineapple, and this coconut drink. Ooh, that's nice. I could fit all of it in. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, different bag of juice. Okay, we'll do this pineapple one. Then we'll put a row of these orange. And then some ketchup or mustard ketchup. Nice. Yes, we did it. Accuracy